Hi, Randall.
Papa, hi, and how are you tonight and how you're doing
I'm
tonight, Papa?
splendid. How are you?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. Happy Friday.
Yes, it look like Happy Friday with shoot. Happy Friday.
What do we have for dinner
Why it
tonight?
look like we have jerk chicken and festival and our Jamaican juice there too. Jamaican what that too? Yes, Highland Tintin juice. Look good tonight, Papa.
Thank you.
So what you say?
Why you say
So
hi?
no knife, not cut the chicken.
Wait, Daddy. Oh, you when you
A
got a
jerk
jerk
chicken.
chop, do you get a knife
No,
and
they
fork?
chop it up, you know.
It's chopped.
No.
It's chopped into 3 pieces.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, Papa. Look good tonight, yeah. So what you say?
Where are you gonna start first?
I chicken myself on first.
Okay.
Because I jerk chicken. You see, I jerk chicken, Papa. Yeah, jerk chicken. I jerk chicken, Papa. I jerk chicken, Papa. I jerk chicken.
You don't want to add no pepper?
Wait first. No. Wait first.
May I try
At some time, yeah. See that pepper there, Papa? See that? A festival to Papa.
Guy, last night I did stuff on the internet and you said that my thing was raw. So
Papa.
come correct.
You say you come fresh tonight, Papa.
Okay.
Papa, to so far, everything I was right now, but I'm not running no waiting yet because you have to kill chicken somewhere.
Okay.
So, Papa, you sure take me this?
Yes, I'm sure. And I have the step by step, baby.
But me see your mother in the kitchen, Papa.
You know, see me and my mother in the kitchen. My mom's over there watching African movies. you know, say a bad mind. And
No, you're bad mind,
The
Papa.
comment section is they're starting to realize.
So, I just back home. On Friday night, I do chicken and festival about it.
Yeah. you know,
Papa.
I'm on decoration skills tonight.
Papa.
So,
Papa.
what's
What?
poor?
And juice,
What's
and
poor?
And juice tonight, you know, Papa. I tell yourself that, Papa.
What's poor?
Papa, me nice so far tonight, I find nice. Papa, everything gone already, but me not go yet.
I know you, and I know you're trying to find something wrong.
Me not go yet. All you want is just score.
I didn't say anything tonight.
But I see
Book.
your face, I know your face.
No, Bookie, I know the more I talk, the lower my score is. So I'm going to mind my business.
Yeah? Give me taste good, man, and mouth, man. So, Papa,
Randall?
are you make the job says,
Yes. No, the jerk seasoning, hold on. My homemade jerk seasoning tastes way better than the store-bought one. So when I bought the store-bought one, I had to spice it up. I had to put it in the blender, add pepper, and then mix it into my homemade seasoning. Because the one at the store, they need to come check me for the ingredients.
Papa, you know, give me score tonight, Papa. Because you sell off tonight, Papa. You sell off tonight. But me not give score yet, but me not give first. No.
My goodness. Slow down, huh?
All the bone, Papa. Right there. Don't the bone good, Papa. Now you not rush me tonight.
I didn't know that pepper is hitting for 6.
No one tell Papa.
I'm not. I put it there just to set you up. Randall, tell them to remember to follow the page. We're almost at 10K.
Yes, for you follow the page. And what me say again, Papa?
We're almost at 10K.
Yeah.
We don't get paid in Canada, so follow the page so you can support.
Yes, so we can support 10,000 more views. That's what, Papa?
Yes. I know you wouldn't remember nothing while you're eating. This is 5 minutes of us just watching you eat.
Mamma mia. Papa, don't get this spoiled by the wheat, Papa.
What you drink too?
Papa,
Yes, Randall.
how much square mama get? Tell me what square mama get now.
How much I want to get?
Yeah.
20.
You're mad. Let me check you, Papa. At 10. 20. 10, Papa, cut.
Why are you so aggressive? You didn't want to give me the 10?
No, because it's 20. No, like it, Papa.